Hey there! Want to tidy up your iPhone home screen by hiding apps without using third-party tools? iOS 18 makes it easy to do just that. Let me walk you through how to hide and unhide apps on your iPhone to keep everything neat and organized. Before we begin, ensure your iPhone is running the iOS 18 beta. To start hiding an app, first, make sure Face ID is set up on your iPhone. Long press on the app icon. Now, select Require Face ID. Note, some Apple apps like Settings and Camera don't have this option. Then, tap Require Face ID again. Next, choose Hide and Require Face ID. It will scan your face for verification. Enter your passcode if prompted. Finally, tap Hide App to complete the process. Now, if you need to find and unhide those apps, on your home screen, swipe right to access the app library. Then, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on Hidden. Long press on the app you want to unhide. Select Don't Require Face ID. And there you go! You have successfully managed your hidden apps on iOS 18. Alright, my friend. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you liked it, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day!